Welcome back my video. The Chevrolet Corvette has long been an emblem of American automotive excellence, consistently pushing the boundaries of performance, design, and innovation. As we step into 2025, the Corvette continues to evolve, embracing cutting-edge technology while honoring its storied heritage. This comprehensive overview delves into the latest iteration of the Corvette, exploring its exterior aesthetics, performance capabilities, interior refinements, pricing structure, safety features, and overall appeal. Introduction. Since its debut in 1953, the Chevrolet Corvette has captivated enthusiasts with its blend of style, speed, and engineering prowess. Over the decades, it has transformed from a sleek roadster into a formidable supercar, rivaling the world's best. The 2025 model year marks another milestone in this journey, introducing enhancements that cater to both purists and modern drivers. Exterior design. The 2025 Corvette's exterior design is a harmonious blend of aggressive lines and aerodynamic efficiency. Building upon the mid-engine layout introduced in the C8 generation, the car boasts a low, wide stance that exudes confidence. Sharp creases and sculpted surfaces not only enhance its visual appeal but also contribute to its aerodynamic performance. At the front, the Corvette features sleek LED headlights that seamlessly integrate into the bodywork, providing a piercing gaze. Large air intakes dominate the front fascia, channeling air to cool the high-performance engine and brakes. The hood's subtle contours hint at the power beneath, while functional vents aid in heat dissipation. Moving to the side profile, the pronounced fender arches house a selection of alloy wheels, ranging from 19 to 20 inches, depending on the trim level. The side mirrors are aerodynamically optimized, and the sculpted doors direct airflow towards the rear intakes, essential for engine cooling. A distinctive character line runs along the side, adding to the sense of motion even when stationary. The rear of the Corvette is equally striking, with quad exhaust tips and a prominent diffuser underscoring its performance credentials. The LED taillights feature a signature design, and an integrated rear spoiler enhances downforce at high speeds. Optional features, such as a transparent engine cover, allow admirers to glimpse the powerhouse within. Performance. Under the hood, the 2025 Corvette continues to impress with its performance capabilities. The base model is equipped with a 6.2-liter V8 engine, delivering an exhilarating 490 horsepower and 465 pound-feet of torque. This powerplant propels the Corvette from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just under 3 seconds, showcasing its supercar-level acceleration. For those seeking even greater performance, the Z06 variant offers a 5.5-liter flat-plane crank V8, producing a staggering 670 horsepower. This engine not only provides blistering speed but also delivers a unique, high-revving exhaust note that sets it apart from traditional V8s. The Corvette's handling is equally commendable, thanks to its mid-engine configuration, which provides a near-perfect weight distribution. Advanced suspension systems, including magnetic selective ride control, adapt to driving conditions in real time, offering both comfort and precision. The available Z51 performance package further enhances handling with features like performance suspension, Brembo brakes, and a limited slip differential. Interior refinements. Stepping inside the 2025 Corvette reveals a driver-centric cockpit that seamlessly blends luxury with functionality. High-quality materials, such as premium leather, aluminum, and carbon fiber, adorn the cabin, creating an ambiance of sophistication. The seats are designed for both comfort and support, with options ranging from standard GT1 seats to more aggressive competition sport seats. Advanced ergonomics ensure that all controls are within easy reach, and the squared-off steering wheel provides a clear view of the digital instrument cluster. Technology is at the forefront of the Corvette's interior experience. A customizable 12-inch digital instrument display provides vital driving information, while an 8-inch touchscreen infotainment system offers seamless connectivity through Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. The available performance data recorder allows drivers to capture and analyze their driving sessions, a feature particularly appreciated by track enthusiasts. Despite its performance focus, the Corvette doesn't compromise on practicality. Dual-zone climate control, a premium Bose audio system, and ample cargo space, courtesy of both front and rear trunks, make it suitable for daily driving and weekend getaways alike. Pricing structure. The 2025 Chevrolet Corvette offers a range of trims and options to cater to diverse preferences and budgets. The base Stingray model starts at approximately $65,000, providing exceptional value given its performance capabilities. The higher performance Z06 variant begins around $90,000, reflecting its enhanced engine and track-focused features. Various packages and standalone options allow buyers to further personalize their Corvette. The Z51 Performance Package, for instance, adds approximately $6,000 to the base price but includes significant performance enhancements. Luxury and technology packages, as well as a selection of premium paint colors and interior trims, enable owners to tailor the car to their tastes. Safety features. While performance is paramount, the 2025 Corvette doesn't overlook safety. A suite of advanced driver assistance systems comes standard, including forward collision alert, automatic emergency braking, and lane keeping assist. The Corvette also features a high-definition rear-view camera and available front curb view cameras to aid in parking and low-speed maneuvers. The car's structure is engineered for rigidity and crash protection, utilizing a combination of aluminum and carbon fiber components. Advanced airbag systems and traction control further contribute to occupant safety. Additionally, the Corvette's braking system, especially when equipped with the optional carbon ceramic brakes, provides exceptional stopping power, enhancing overall safety. Overall appeal. The 2025 Chevrolet Corvette continues to embody the essence of a true sports car, offering a harmonious blend of performance, design, and everyday usability.